What's up, nerds? Does this look familiar? You ran into an out-of-memory error, so you just bumped up the resource class of your CI runner rather than actually figure out what was going on? Did you ever figure out what was going on? Do you even have the data to figure out what was going on? Without visibility into your CI system, you're kind of left guessing. Was it the end-to-end suite that ran out of memory? Are you running too many tasks in parallel so that you're running out of compute? Do you need to bump up that agent, or would you be fine with the same size? You need data to be able to make informed decisions about your CI infrastructure, and that's exactly what our new agent resource usage is bringing to you. Complete visibility into CPU and memory consumption at the task level so you can stop guessing and start optimizing. Let's get into it. Most CI systems will tell you that something has failed, but they won't tell you why something has failed. And especially when it comes to resource consumption, your data can be really limited based on what your vendor provides to you or what your platform team has been able to set up. In practice, this looks like things like agent restarts that you can't explain, those out-of-memory errors that we've talked about before, timeouts occurring on certain tasks, but you can't pinpoint exactly which task is causing it, and inconsistent performance. The cost of guessing at what resources you consume is real. If you under-provision your agents, then you're saving money, but you're wasting time on pipelines that take way too long or fail over and over again. If you over-provision, you're throwing money at resources you're not even using. What's essential is having the data to make informed decisions about the resources that you need. NX solves this problem for you by bringing transparency to your CI infrastructure with agent resource usage. Instead of wondering what's going on, you're going to see exactly what's consuming resources and when. You'll find this new feature in the analysis section of any CI pipeline execution in NX Cloud. And it's going to offer two levels of visibility. One, a summary view that shows all the agents that were involved in a particular run, and then a detailed view that shows exactly what resources were consumed by which tasks on a particular agent. If we open up a recent run on the NX repo, we'll see this in action. After going to the Analysis tab and scrolling down, we'll see the Agent Resource Usage Summary table, which will include a list of all agents involved in this run, the average and max CPU as well as memory, and finally, the detected machine specs for every agent. This will help you quickly spot agents that have exceeded their resource limits and compare performance between agents of different specs. Clicking into a particular agent will give us the detailed view, which will include two time series graphs that include memory usage and CPU usage for individual tasks as well as the NX CLI itself. There's no more figuring out which task is causing your node process to run out of memory. You'll see exactly what was running at the time. The interface includes several features to help you navigate the data, such as an individual or a stacked view mode, a timeline scrubber, which allows you to zoom into and navigate through the timeline, an interactive legend, which will allow you to drill into particular tasks, and finally, a CSV export to be able to download raw data for deeper analysis in your tool of choice. And don't worry if you're not using NX agents, because we also support manual distributed task execution with this feature. So no matter how you're running your tasks, you'll be able to see your resource consumption. With agent resource usage, you'll be able to go from data to decisions. You'll be able to debug that nasty out-of-memory error that we talked about earlier by pinpointing exactly which tasks are over-consuming memory at what point. You'll be able to optimize task parallelization by seeing exactly which tasks are consuming the most CPU and might need a lower level of parallelization. You can right-size your agents because you can finally see usage patterns that determine whether you're under or over-provisioned. And with the easy configuration of NX agents, you'll very quickly be able to size up agents or add more agents to your pool. You'll also be able to track performance regressions by comparing usage patterns before and after changes happened. These are just some of the problems that you'll be able to solve with agent resource usage, and hey, you never had to put a ticket in with the DevOps team. Agent resource usage is more than just a debugging tool, though. It also has real business impact. Right-sizing your agents based on real usage rather than guesswork has a direct cost savings to your organization. You're going to increase your developer productivity by having fewer blocked pipelines and a faster time to resolution when there are issues. And this level of detail is not standard in CI tools. Other providers may give you some basic resource consumption, but NX changes the game by providing task-level consumption with interactive visualizations. Agent resource usage is available now for all NX Enterprise customers. To get started, go to the analysis section of any CIPE in your NX Cloud dashboard. If you're not already an enterprise customer, check the description for a link to start your free trial today. Stop guessing at what's happening with your CI agents. Get complete visibility into your resource consumption, make data-driven decisions, and get back to work faster than ever with agent resource usage and NX.